TikTok is down, so if you're having issues with your TikTok account not loading properly, you're not alone. But don't worry, because today I'll show you a working way I have found to fix this problem. Firstly, kindly go to your Apple Store or Play Store. Tap and search for free VPN. Open the app and follow the steps carefully. Kindly select Norway as the country you want to use. As soon as it is connected, go to your TikTok app and it should start working properly. As you can see, our TikTok For You page is now working properly. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.